Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Now we have to scroll down a little bit to find this ringtone section and tap on it. And now we can choose for which ringtone we want to, for which SIM card we want to change the ringtone. As you can see, you can divide them. It's totally up to you. I will choose the first one. And basically here we've got, I would say, like highlighted options. So Nubia Tour, the fresh one, the piano, and Space Whispers. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option, and then you can decide whether you like it or not. However, let's be honest, only 3 options is a little too, it's not enough to make a proper decision. So all we have to do is to tap on all ringtones, and here we will be transferred to the list of all ringtones which are available on this device. They're pre-installed, and here you can choose something for you. At the top we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. Here we've got music, which means that your device will show you the ringtones, basically the recordings which are on your device. If you've got something downloaded, for example, it should appear right here, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me choose something from the default ones, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use and check whether you like the sound or not. So after choosing, maybe a little bit too loud, so let's pretend I want to set this bamboos option. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.